are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. I have got my Glow Addict Beauty Bag to share with you guys and unbox. I believe this is the May 2021. Yeah, that's which one it is. And this is $13.99. Now, this is my second month getting it, along with the Glow Addict Beauty Box. I'm liking it. I'm on the fence on whether or not to continue getting it. Now, I did try out their XL Luxe Beauty Box, and that one is like over $30 for that subscription, and I gave it a try. I liked what I got. I will link that video up here, but I was still like, okay, let me try the beauty box and the beauty bag. So those are the ones I've gotten over the last couple months. And as I said, this one is the beauty bag. It is $13.99 a month. However, that does not include shipping. It's a good value. However, because I get 2 subscriptions from them, my shipping is $4 for each subscription. Now, several of you have come back to me and mentioned that you were interested in signing up for this. However, there was like an $8 shipping charge for you to get this. And several of you ended up really disappointed because, I mean, that's really expensive, especially considering there's so many subscription boxes out there that include shipping. So, I don't know. I'm still undecided on whether or not I'm going to continue getting this to share with you guys here on my channel. I'll let you know, but chime in. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Okay. So we don't get a card or anything in this subscription. You just kind of get the products. And the first thing in this bag is this really cute mermaid eye brush. It looks like it's larger than like the pencil brushes, but it's still smaller than a regular blending brush. So I'm thinking this is more of a crease brush. There's no brand or anything on this, so I kind of can't even look it up. Sorry. The next thing we got is a set of Wink lashes. And these are actually really, really pretty. I do like them because they seem to be a little more natural looking, which is what I prefer. And then there is Eye Beauty. And this is the eyelash glue to go with it. So I do really like the fact that they do give you not just the lashes, but the glue to go with it. Now, the other neat thing about this glue, actually, I'm not going to open this quite yet, just because I don't want it to start drying out. But this is more like a felt tip eyeliner glue. I have tried similar ones, and I do like them better than like the brush on glue you can get. Okay, now the other thing we got in this month's beauty bag is a palette from Steb. And it's a 16 color eyeshadow palette. And it's got all the colors on the back. I've actually gotten this palette before. So, I mean, I don't mind getting it again, because I'll probably give it back to one of you guys. But here are all the colors in this palette. So you've got a mixture of shimmers and matte colors, and it's got a mixture of really pretty spring colors, peaches, kind of mauve, purple, pink, all that good stuff. Again, I think it's a super, super pretty palette. That's it. I know. I kind of feel like there was something missing, but it's not. This is everything we got. The lashes, the glue, and the eye brush. The Little Mermaid eye brush. So, yeah. I mean, it was okay. I'm just not over the moon for this subscription. I'm sorry. Y'all know me. I'll always try to be honest with you. However, I'm not good at being mean. Even when I'm disappointed, I still try to deliver it in a nice way. That's just me. Okay, that is it. Short and sweet unboxing. I will leave all the information for this subscription down below. If it's something you want to scoop up, I mean, they are all full-size products, which is a great thing about this subscription. Since I've been getting it, I've gotten a palette every month. I do also love that. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what y'all think, or if you want me to move on and maybe find a couple other different subscriptions to scoop up and share with you guys. Let me know. Okay. Love you bunches. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thanks as always for coming to hang out with me for a little bit. I do appreciate you so much. And I will talk to y'all soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.